HARUN AYDIN wa mĩaka 55 raia wa bũrũri wa Turkey no nĩ akoretwo agĩcera gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ mahinda kwa mahinda kuma mwaka-inĩ wa 2018 akĩhũthĩra marũa ma ũgendi. Aikirio ngono ũmũthĩ mathaa-inĩ ma mĩaraho kĩharo-inĩ kĩa ndege kĩa Wilson gũkũ Nairobi nĩ maabithaa a kũhũrana na ũtoi ATPU. Ndagĩka nini tu acoka gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ akiuma bũrũri-inĩ wa Uganda. Mũmbunge wa Kapseret Oscar Sudi hamwe na wakiri wa Ayedin Cliff Ombeta nĩo matarĩirie ũhoro wa gũikio ngono kwa Ayedin, erĩ acio hamwe na mũnini wa barũthi wa bũrũri wa Turkey gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ makĩgirio kuona Ayedin kana kwaranĩria nake arĩ moko-inĩ ma borithi acio a ATPU kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Wilson.
Wamekuwa watu wanne kwa hiyo ndege, na wakati walifika kule kiwanja ya ndege hao wakaruhusiwa waende wakwe cleared, ya akasuiliwa akachukuliwa na polisi, inasemekana ni wanitera, ndio unaona tuko hapa mpaka sasa. Hawatuambii ni nini inaendelea.
We arrived as lawyers with my colleague and others who are here present. Mr. Ahmed Nasir was here, Mr. Ochieng Odolo was here. None of us was given access to see or to speak to him. We do not know what his condition is at this particular time.
Wakiri Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi augite ni kiriga Ayedin gũikio ngono, na mawakiri ake nao na barũthi wa bũrũri wake matiretĩkĩrio kuonana nake kana ona kũmenyithio gĩtũmi kĩa aikio ngono.
I traveled with him on the same private jet from Uganda, landed at Wilson, only to face some kind of fracas where he was associated from me.
Na umuthi akiarĩria ahũri a biacara a Eastleigh wa wabici-inĩ ciake mwena wa Karen gũkũ Nairobi, mũnini wa president o rĩngĩ nĩ ateteire itua rĩake kwĩgiritania na Ayedin, o rĩngĩ agĩkinyĩrĩria atĩ Ayedin nĩ mũhũri wa biacara na kuorota arĩa maramwagagia.
Ukifanya ya bodaboda wanasema wewe ni mhalifu. Ukifanya ya kuimport kule Nyamakima wanasema hiyo bidhaa ni contraband. Saa hizi hata waegezaji wako na permit ya Kenya, watu ambao wanajulikana na serikali zao. Sasa tunawabandika ati hawa ni magaidi kwa sababu mko na nia duni ya kisiasa.
Because you cannot today give a businessman a permit to come and work in Kenya and invest in Kenya. The next thing you want to soil his name on account of being a friend to William Ruto and call him a terrorist.
Jameni, Kenya hii yetu tunaelekea wapi?
Jumatatu hetũku Ayedin arĩ ũmwe wa ahũri a biacara atatũ arĩa mathiĩte bũrũri-inĩ wa Uganda gweterera mũnini wa President William Ruto icera-inĩ rĩrĩa Ruto akanjĩirwo nĩ maabithaa a rũhonge rwa thama kĩharo-inĩ kĩa ndege kĩa Wilson.
If your government is the government that gave that work permit to HARUN AYDIN, how did you permit a terrorist to get a work permit in Kenya? Aren't you yourselves a threat to our security if Ayedin is a terrorist?
And I think the government now must take a decisive step on all activities that the Deputy President is doing. One, he's telling our young men that wheelbarrow hustler. But he's taking somebody else to Uganda to build a factory. What a paradox. What a paradox of a leader. You should first invest in your country to create those jobs that you are voted to create.
I am the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. I cannot associate with terrorists. I know what I'm doing. We must support our business people. And I have done my best to look for investment for our country and for our region.
All the responsibilities of the Deputy President are in the Kenyan Constitution. There's not a single job that is required under the Constitution that he has been stopped from undertaking. One of them is being a member of the National Security Council. He is the number 2 in the National Security Council. The generals are sitting there, the police chief is sitting there, the attorney general is sitting there. He should not be asking the public why you were stopped from going to Uganda. He is the one who sits in that National Security Council.
handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njũrũge wa Maina.